Hello, I'm Neil Kosterman, Managing Director for Xennovate Medical. Welcome to this episode of our Access to Technology series. Thank you in advance for your time and attention. If you have any questions regarding this episode, do not hesitate to contact me directly by email using my xennovate@mac.com address. While he continues as a practicing internist with a BS in chemistry, Dr. Dave Smith, the founder of Xennovate Medical, has also been instrumental in extending the franchise for our patented Xen18 hydrocolloid formulations. To evaluate Xen18 against the major competition, Dr. Smith developed a severe test of absorptive capacity and compared it to a half-dozen major competitors. From the graph you can see that XM18C won handily. We now believe Xen18 can fairly be called the world's best hydrocolloid based on absorptive capacity. It outperformed all the major competitors largely because it does not dissolve into the wound, but instead continues absorbing heavy exudates while maintaining a moist wound bed for optimum pH healing conditions. Meanwhile, in as little as 3 hours, the competitive products started breaking down. Breakdown means the hydrocolloid is no longer absorbing and instead, it is dissolving into the wound and running the risk of systemic absorption. From the medical literature, we know that, quote, histologic evaluations of apparently healed wounds have indicated deep-seated foreign body reactions and granulomata formations, even when using Duoderm CGF, which is a Convatec product, and Restore, which is a Hollister product, end quote. Hollister's Restore was the worst in the Chakravarthy study. Their compounds demonstrated a definite delay in wound closure. The journal article reference is available upon request. Note that after 3 days of submersion in saline solution, XM18C has absorbed nearly 5 times its weight, and it continues to absorb. It has not dissolved into the wound, making a mess for caregiver and risking the patient's long-term health from foreign body reactions. In review, then, we present a list of reasons why you should switch to Xen18 hydrocolloids as quickly as possible. First, integration, as opposed to disintegration, enables longer-lasting, less messy, and more economical dressings. 2. Absorption far exceeds competition while maintaining an appropriate moist and pH-balanced wound bed. 3. Combining Xen18 with EverLift RemovEZ PULL-TAB technology makes our hydrocolloids the world technology leader in high-tech wound bandages. 4. We have more technology built in for less cost than any competitive product. Standardizing on Xen18 hydrocolloids can reduce the number of extraneous SKUs needed in hospital or nursing home institutions. And 5th, Xennovate offers multiple formulations of Xen18 depending on your specific clinical needs. Xennovate's top 3 commercial products provide varying degrees of absorption and adhesion, so you can tailor your choice to your product and clinical needs. Please review both the graph and the data below it to understand why 18W was requested. Faster adhesion but less absorption than 18C. As mentioned previously, however, absorption by 18W still far exceeds the key competition. 18O was developed specifically for ostomy applications and provides significant fast tack and enough absorption to more than accommodate skin moisture evaporation under the ostomy appliances for more than a week if one chooses to wear their 2-piece system that long. Notice also that costs fall as absorption is reduced. Our unique 3-absorber approach works great but comes with an associated cost. In 2009, Xennovate added a 4th commercial formulation to its product offering, XM18E for Encore. We have been involved in a variety of skin attachment development projects where it became clear that our level of moisture absorption was not needed, especially based on the cost such absorption adds to the product. So, Dr. Smith came up with Encore to accommodate those needs. Of course, it also works well for ostomy if the appliance is only worn for 3 or 4 days or changed daily and the price point is more forgiving for that application. In summary, 1. We've shown you the results of severe absorption bench studies demonstrating the longer life and far superior absorption characteristics of Xen18 versus key world competition. 2. We've covered the whys and hows guiding you to your next purchase of at least one of the Xen18 hydrocolloid formulations. And 3. We've examined in some detail the family of 4 Xen18s currently available, and there are 2 more in development as this is written. In closing, thank you for your time and attention. Please contact us at Xennovate Medical if you seek a partner with innovative patented technology to enhance your product offering.